Hello everyone and welcome to this video tutorial of Prestashop Cashfree Payment Gateway module. In this video, I'll explain you the process to configure the module, and I'll also show you that how using this module your customers will be able to make payment for their order using Cashfree. So in order to explain the process better, I have already installed this module in my Prestashop. So let's just go to the backend of the Prestashop. Here, as you can see, this is the configuration page of the module. So we'll go through each of the options one by one. The first option is live mode. In case if you disable this option, then you would be using this module in the sandbox or the test mode, as you can say. And in order to use this module in the live mode, you can simply enable this option. After that, there are two more fields, that is of app ID and secret keys. These are the API keys of the module that I will just explain to you that how you can get these API keys from the Cashfree in few moments. But before going through the process to get the API keys, let me just explain you the other options that are available on the configuration page. Next section is of you get to choose which payment options you want to provide to your customer in order to make payment via Cashfree. In case if you want your customer to use only UPI payment and debit card payments to pay for their order using Cashfree, then you can only enable these options and rest you can disable. And in order to provide all the options that are available here, you need to enable all of them, and accordingly you can also disable to let your customers not use those payment methods to pay for their order. Now, going back to the section of API keys, you need to go to the Cashfree website. In order to go to the Cashfree website login page, we have integrated the link in the user guide of the module itself. You can navigate to that, and after navigating on this user guide of the UPI payment module, that is Cashfree payment module, you will see that here is a link that is integrated here. You can simply click on this link, and after clicking on this link you land on to this page. Here if you don't have an account, you can simply click on this sign up button and proceed to create an account. Otherwise, you can simply log in here. As I already have an account, so I'll just proceed with logging in. I'll just log into the my Cashfree account. After logging into the Cashfree account, you will land onto this page. Here, as you can see that this first option, that is payment gateway, it is under review. It is showing under review because I have already integrated this module. In case if you have not activated or integrated this particular payment gateway option, then you will get the option to activate this payment method. So after activating that, there you will also get a option to go to dashboard. In my case, as I have already activated, so here I need to click on this try test environment. After clicking on this particular test environment, you will land onto this particular page. Here you need to go to the credentials section. Then on coming to the credential section, you just need to click on this get credentials button, and you will get the app ID and the secret key for the module. You need to simply copy and paste these keys to this module configuration page, and after that click on the save button. On clicking the save button, all the settings that you have selected is now successfully saved, and now your customers will get an option to pay via Cashfree. So let's just proceed to place an order first, so that you can understand how this Cashfree payment works. As you can see that pay by Cashfree is now available to the customers. Customer can simply enter their number and proceed to place order using Cashfree payment. Now we are using test card details in order to make payment for this particular order. So you can also see that how this particular payment method processes the order at the customer ends. Now you just need to, for the test purpose, you can see that this hint OTP is here. In case of live payment methods, the OTP will be sent to the customer mobile number that he has entered at the time of using the Cashfree at the checkout page that I just did few moments before. So after entering the OTP, we will land onto this confirmation page, order confirmation page, that we have successfully placed the order. And you can also see that the payment method is now showing as credit card because we have used the credit card payment method to pay for the order. Now on the order history and details section, the details of the payment method would also be available that you can see here. Apart from that, a customer also gets an option under this payment section for the Cashfree UPI payments. This lists all the transactions that were made by the customer using the Cashfree payment gateway module. So it was all about the Prestashop Cashfree payment gateway module. I hope this video helps you to configure and use the module in the best possible way. Thank you.